Okay, I had to try the Superman cookie dough blizzard that they got at Sonic. I mean, not Sonic. Where I'm at, Dairy Queen. $5, and I got the mini. I'm so mad. Okay, let's try it though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back like tomorrow and get a big one. That's so good. The cookie dough, the sprinkles all throughout. I love me some sprinkles. What flavor ice cream is this? I don't get it. But I've been having it saved on my TikTok. I was like, let me just go out today and try it. And I just got the mini just in case I didn't like it. That's so good. How a mini is $5 beats me, but it's real good. Yeah, I gotta get that. And I absolutely love cookie dough. So the little hints of cookie dough in there, amazing. I had to go look online to see what the flavor of ice cream was. That is cookie cake batter ice cream. So that's really good too. The cookie cake batter ice cream, sprinkles, cookie dough, chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. And I will be coming back for a large.